Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas video again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline in the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. I think everything is too clear, so let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. And you, if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash that like button. Support us, guys. You know the channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and smash in the like button. Support us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So as you see here today, that the daily candle here, it's finished here, that one here, that red one. Until now, there is nothing changed here. As you remember what else we said here, we said we have here an inside bar. Till now we couldn't break it above here, and we couldn't break it down here in the daily. The candle me I'm talking about, is it that green one here, that one? So till now there is nothing new here in the daily. Also, we're still waiting, and that candle which finished today is the candle of Monday, so you need to be careful about that one. Maybe we're going to see tomorrow or after tomorrow the market is going to break here, so we need to wait until tomorrow what the market is going to tell us. Till now the market is showing to us as we stay sideways here that about 2 or 3 weeks, and there is nothing new here, so we need to wait more. And down here, the volume, as you see it, even the volume it's showing to us, it's falling down as you see it like that. So us we still waiting the volume to come to spike to break here. Anytime when the volume is breaking that downtrend as we got here in the volume, that one here, as you see it, it started from here till over here. So there is nothing new, and us we still waiting what the market is going to tell us in the coming days. Till now we haven't break. And you, if you want to trade like that, you just come to the volume like that and you're drawing a trend line like that, and you wait until the volume it spike here and breaking that downtrend here. But me I show you in the chart, you don't need to do that. You just come here like that, and you waiting where is the market is going to break. Either we breaking above, you enter long. If we breaking down, we enter short. Till now there is nothing new. We need to wait more, guys. And even if you're watching yesterday video, we show you in the weekly, we got an indecision candle. That indecision candle is telling us even investors, they still debating. They are not sure yet if the market is going to take off and to go higher, or the market is going to fall down. And I show you in the monthly, everything is still looking great, but we need to break here that 29k level for us to know the market is changed from downtrend to an uptrend. Everything till now it's still looking great, guys. And I told you there is a correction going to come. We don't know exactly tell where, but it's going to come a correction, and it's going to be the last chance for those people they haven't buy. It's going to be the chance for them to buy from that level. Now there is nothing new. You need to wait and more what the market is going to tell you in the coming days and coming hours. Everything is too clear. Now let's go to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for today. As you see it, we don't got something special. We just got that one, that jolt. That one is going to tell us how it's going to come the Friday unemployment rate. But that one, no one focused about it. All the investors now, they still focused about that OPEC plus one petrol cut or producing cut. That is going to affect the market a lot. And as majority of you know, there is a problem now, and that is going to increase the problem. And there is that BRICS, those countries of the BRICS, they want to they fight in the US dollar. Let's make it like that. So we don't know what's going to happen in the coming days, but till now everything is looking great. Even the stock market, everything is looking great. I think picture is too clear here. And here our friend, as you see it, the table also we follow every day. As you see it here, nothing was changed. As you see it here, all US stocks today, they are green a little bit. The only one which is fall down today is the Nasdaq, but not that much. It's a little bit. I haven't analyzed it for you guys. I'm so sorry, because we just moving to a new place and we need to adjust before we start making 2 videos every day. So we are very sorry, but it will not take long. So on, we're going to go back. I think everything is too clear. And here, our friend is the VIX. As you see it, is 18.55. It fell down below than yesterday. Yesterday it used to be 18.70. Now also we are 18.55. But you need to be careful about the ISM which is coming that week. Even that one is going to affect the market. So you need to be careful about that one. And the US dollar, it's still falling down because as I told you, there is a war against the US dollar now. Even that one, you need to be focused about it very well, because if you go in now to Twitter, you're going to find all Twitter is talking about US dollar. Even that one, you need to be careful about it. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, same thing. Nothing was changed. I told you we got here the channel here, as you remember it. And people, they've been with us for some time now. They remember that. Till now, we couldn't break it. We couldn't break above here. And we couldn't break down here. That's why me I told you don't try to open any order those days. Unless if we breaking down here, enter short, or we breaking above here, enter long. Now, the only thing you can do, just wait. Just wait. Because it might you enter from here short and the market is going to fall down here. Then after that, you're going to be stuck with that things you enter. I can even show you here a price action here if I want. We can even make it like that. You got here a triangle, but that one is not. You can base trade on it. Most important is that level here, that one here, and that level here, because that one, if it's breaking down here, is going to go just to here, or if it's breaking above, it will go just to here. That's why I told you don't enter long, don't enter short, unless if we break in that level here or that level here down. So you need to wait until the right time came to you. Trading is about passion, and that's what I'm telling you now. You need to wait. Because we are in a level where is big wells waiting to sell to retail traders. So don't be the money, always be smart money. People, they buying from here or they selling from that level here. All of them, they are dumb money, guys. Remember that. Also, we are waiting the break to happen down here or to happen above here for us to enter long. If it doesn't happen, also we are not going to enter. Our money is in our pocket, and also we still waiting the right time and the right moment. Remember those things, what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it came down here to the place where is the bears they controlling. Should we enter short? No, we don't need to enter short. I told you we need to wait in the break of that channel to happen. I just show you in the 4 hours. If it doesn't happen, there is no entry, guys. Remember that. If that channel I just show you in the 4 hours doesn't get broke up or down, there is no entry. Wait. Don't be dumb money. Always remember that. Because in the market, there is dumb money and there is smart money. Always be with the smart money. Everything is too clear, guys. Here in our indicator, it's telling us also we enter here to the bear market. Should we enter short? No. There is no entry short yet. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, I show you we got here a divergence here. I show it to you in all the last videos. I told you we got here a divergence and our indicator is it here at the overbought area. But what me I told you for us to enter short, I told you we need the market to come to break down here. If it doesn't breaking down here, there is no entry short. Remember that. There is no entry short if we don't break in down here in that level, guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear. And if you want to be smart, you wait in that break and you enter from the correction, because the correction is going to come just to here. You see it? Where is that level here? We're going to come here between 24k till 22k, guys. Then from there, enter long, go up with it, because as I told you in the last videos, it happened here a squeeze to hit a stop loss for the short. It's going to happen a squeeze to hit a stop loss for the long. Then after that, the market is going to take off. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, I told you in the last videos, we got here a uptrend like that, as you see it. It gave us here a fake out, and down here it gave us a fake out. That's why me I told you those days, try to avoid to enter, guys. That's why me I told you those days, try to avoid those things. But I know some people, they need to enter. Over here, look at it, what you got now. You got here a downtrend. If that one getting broke above, you can enter long. For the down, if that one came and breaking down here, breaking the last low, which is here, that one here, you can enter short. If the market came down here and break in here, you can enter short. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, look at it, what it give you here. Look at it. You got a very clear divergence here. Very clear divergence here. Look at it. You came here and you came here. You got a very clear divergence, guys. Should you enter long? Yes, you can. But for you to enter long, you came to that one here. Look at it like that. And you do in here a trend line and you waiting that break to happen here. That one here, if you want to enter a little bit long. But if you want to enter just for short time, you draw in here a trend line and you wait in the market to break it here. You can enter here till the trend line I just show you guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.